am Riya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you know that it's the monsoon season and we feel like eating something hot and spicy. So today I'll be showing how to make spicy dabeli. So before starting the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's get started.
Let's look at the ingredients. We need 4 ladi pav, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 large boiled potatoes. I've cut the potatoes in 2 pieces. Make sure that you use large potatoes. 1 onion, finely chopped, and half a tomato. Dabeli masala, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt as per taste, red chutney. To prepare the red chutney, I used 4 to 5 Kashmiri red chilies, added 2-3 cloves of garlic, added salt and some water in a mixie, and that's how you get the red chutney. This is the Mithi or tamarind chutney. For garnishing, some onions, coriander and a slice of lime. Spicy peanuts or dabeli peanuts. Yellow save or the save which we use for save puri. It's cheese dabeli, so of course cheese. Now to prepare the stuffing, in a pan or a kadhai, add 2 tablespoons of butter. You can also use vegetable oil, normal oil, if you don't want to use butter. Add 1 onion finely chopped. Flame is medium to high. Now mix the onions, cook it till they are pink in color, a little bit pinkish in color. Something like this. Now we'll add the tomatoes. Half a tomato. We'll cook the tomatoes till they are mushy and soft. To make it mushy and soft quickly, we'll add salt. Tomatoes are cooked, they are mushy and soft. In goes half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Cook it for a minute. Add dabeli masala. I've added 5 tablespoons of dabeli masala. If you're making it for kids, you can reduce the amount of masala. But if you like spicy food like I do, you can go for it. Cook it for a minute till the raw smell goes away. Now I'll add a little bit of water. So the water will help the masala to get cooked. Little bit of water. The raw smell also goes away. It should look something like this. Add in the potatoes. Mash it. Mix it well. Now to balance all the flavors, I've added sugar, just to balance all the flavors. And squeezed half a lime. Remember that we have added salt. Squeeze a generous amount. So our stuffing is almost ready. If you feel that your stuffing is a bit dry, you can add a little bit of water. I'll add some water because I feel my stuffing is a bit dry. Just a little bit of it. That's it. Our stuffing is ready. Finally, put some coriander. It will give the stuffing a fresh taste. Give a final good mix and take it out in a bowl. I've spread the stuffing evenly. Now it's time for the decoration. So you can add cheese, but if you don't like cheese or if you don't have it, you can skip it, no problem. Add the peanuts. You can also add pomegranate or dried coconut if you like. So this decoration part is up to you. You can add anything that you like. Onions. I've added some sage. Now it's time to assemble. Look at the pav, they're so fluffy. I'll show you how to cut it. Look carefully. We do not have to cut the pav entirely. We have to cut it only halfway through. After cutting, make some space in between. I'll show you one more. Apply some red chutney. You can apply red chutney first or the Mithi chutney first. Any order you can follow. No specific order or preference. Mithi chutney. In goes the stuffing. No conjuicy here, okay? Fill the stuffing to the fullest. Press it. Dabelis are ready. Now in a pan, apply some butter and we'll cook the dabelis for 2 to 3 minutes till they turn crispy. Apply some butter on top of pav. Flame is low. Flip it after a minute. First press it and then flip it after a minute. Press it. This will make the dabeli crispy. Flip it over and our dabelis are ready. They look super amazing. Finally, apply some butter if you want. Plate the dabelis and you can garnish it with some cheese, peanuts or save if you like, or you can have it as it is. Dig in right away. Do let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe. It's one of my favorite recipes, so do let me know if you liked it or not. Do subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Hit the like button. Till then, bye bye, take care. stay home, stay safe.